I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition key is removed for safety. Next, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright. Be careful not to let it snap back, as this could damage the glass. Have your new wiper blades ready, along with a clean cloth to protect the windshield if needed. This preparation makes the process smooth and quick. Now let's remove the old blades. Look closely at where the blade connects to the wiper arm. You'll usually find a small tab or button. Press this tab and slide the old blade down and off the J-hook. Sometimes a small flathead screwdriver can help gently pry open a clip if it's stiff. Once detached, carefully set the old blade aside. Repeat this process for the other wiper arm, ensuring both are safely removed. With the old blades off, it's time for the new ones. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the J-hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the J-hook until you hear or feel a click, indicating it's securely locked. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Once both new blades are in place, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Do this slowly to avoid any impact. After installing both blades, turn on your vehicle and test them with some windshield washer fluid. Make sure they clear the glass smoothly without streaking. For optimal performance, replace your wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, or as soon as you notice reduced visibility. Remember, clear vision is crucial for safe driving. Also, check the description below for a link to those awesome car air fresheners and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.